To the Maelstrom. I don't care about the dorms. What am I singing? I actually do not even know what I'm singing. Like, back to my home where the watermelons grow. Back to whatsoever. I'm going to school. Your singing is horrible. Oh, how dare you stop to my singing like that. Okay, Lucky, do you like going in the car? Going to a car drive is the Lucky. You literally hopped out the car. Again. This is the third time you did this. Okay. The vehicle was fast. Okay. Well, we are gonna visit. Oh, Rose. Oh, Ella. Hey, Rose. Lucky, stop that. And don't call her Rose. Her Lucky, you're gonna be in so much trouble for what you're doing. You want to be put in a leash? Because I'm pretty sure I don't want you to be in a leash. Because I don't want to be in a leash. With that behavior, you are going to be in a leash soon. I'm going to respawn you. You're going to be in a leash, okay, Lucky? Leash hurts. Well, too bad because you are gonna get leashes every day for hopping out of the car when I was driving in the car. Like, I'm literally driving in the white car. Like, you told me, you promised me that you would never ever hop out of this car if we take this car. So I still need to private talk with you. Mama, the Sky Castle. Okay. Like, let's take the glider. What? Oh, okay. What? I'm thirsty. Okay. Are you done, Rose? Don't happen too long. Okay. Why is it in the Sky Castle though? Like, I'm just curious. On the Sky Castle where nobody is. Rose. She's drinking her water. Oh, I will text you with a message about that if you search up my channel's name. It would not come. Because I don't know her phone number, but I do know I am her friend in Roblox, so I can text her. It is Lucky Games. It's Lucky Games. put one of the videos name and channel name Vampire Princess Lucky Games. Type that because I'm making a video right now. I am making a video right now. You would not be in the video yet because I did not upload this video. And Roblox video takes a lots and lots and lots of time. Now, please, let's go. That was scary. That was scary. Hey, you guys are talking private without me. Oh, sorry, Lucky. Well, let's go home, guys. And Lucky, you are going to be in the leash soon. Do you want to be in the leash? Then if you get out of the car one more time, you're going to be in a leash. Adami needs to fix my... Okay, Adami does need to fix your head. He needs to fix you. Like, seriously. Good that There's another car blocking the way. Alright, I'll see if I can watch it now AFK, okay? Okay. I'm making a video right now though. Is this guy? What? Unlock cuffs. You can't enter, random person. Oh my god, what does that guy think he is? Okay, Lucky, come on. We're gonna go upstairs. Okay. So, let's put you little rascals, or should I say you guys, to sleep. Rose gonna, wait, can you see what it is again? Okay, Vampire Princess Lucky Games sub. I'm not gonna put, okay. I'm pretty sure Princess, what, Lucky? Can I stay home alone? You know the rules, Lucky. You're not staying home alone. Ever. No. You are never gonna stay at home at all. Especially for what you did. Like, can I stay home alone too? Lucky, we're not. Everybody wants to stay home alone. Even Ella wants to. Well, Ella is not an adult. I am an adult here. So, you guys are not staying home alone as kids and pets. What if someone comes in and someone kidnaps you guys? And you guys did not behave well. Last time I have left them home alone and they were not nice. They are pretty much. Look, you guys are sick now. No, I guess I will go get you guys the healing apple. You guys stay here, okay? I'm gonna go get you guys medicine. You guys stay here. I am gonna go get the healing apple. Okay? You guys stay here. I'm gonna put Rose to the bed. Okay. Okay. I'm kind of worried about them, because they do not behave well. I guess they can walk. Let's see. I guess I could try to see if the car is still outside. Okay, let me go start the car. Ugh. Oh my God, the car is stuck. I can't use any car now. I guess I gotta go on this bike. Bike is not fast enough to get there, and Rose, Lucky are sick, and I don't trust my pets. I locked the house, but I don't know what they're gonna do. I need to go fast as possible to the adoption center. I mean, not to the adoption center. Of course, I'm not gonna leave Lucky and Rose there, but to the hospital. I mean, okay, we're almost there to the hospital. We're gonna make the long trip. There. Okay. I'm gonna go get Rose and Lucky the healing apples. Okay, let's go get some healings. Okay. Okay, let's get more of them because I'm gonna stick them in the cabinets. Okay, I got this much of them. Of the healing apples, Maybe I could trade some away because I have got some rare trades for these healing apples. Is she giving me a penguin for it? Let's give her a red panda. She's also giving me a panda and a lemonade stand. Kinda looks too good to be. I'm actually going to. I was gonna put the healing apples again. Okay, let's get the bike. I cannot believe I need to go on the bike. It's so clumsy, and the road is a lot clumsy than you guys think it is. I should buy myself something like. Okay, home is just a way further, and. Seriously, the bike got stuck. Oh my God. How am I gonna go? I guess I have the grappling hook, so I'm gonna go way to my home. Okay. There. Rose! Lucky, what are you doing here? Nothing. Have you seen the car, by the way? I'm pretty sure I just parked it. Ow. Where's baby Rose? She did what? Let's see. She's still at the house. She's dancing. Oh, as usual. Eat the healing apple. I'm gonna give you. There, you're healthy again now. Let's teleport to Rose now. Oh, Rose. Okay, let's get. I got you. Your healing apple, you could eat it now. Yummy. Yes, it's yummy. Did you find it? Okay, there you go. Okay, Lucky. Well, Lucky, should we tell her? No, Rose. Oh, okay. Oh, wait, tell what? Nothing. That we took chocolate from the cabinet? Yeah, we took chocolate from the cabinet. Okay, I'm not sure about leaving Ella and Lucky. I'm doing it now, so I'll be AFK. Okay, I'm not sure about... This is the reason I'm not always sure about leaving Ella or Lucky home alone. I'm gonna watch TV. Yeah, you guys watch TV. Okay, Frozen 2 is really good. Yeah. Okay, so I'm pretty much not a trustful person with my pets especially. So I'm pretty sure I didn't buy any chocolate too, by the way. So there is something fishy going around here. And my pets are hiding it from me. Let's see. Yeah, there it is. Lucky's computer. Let's see what cars sold for $1,000. Did they? Oh my God! Did they sell my car? They? Oh no! Ella, Lucky, and others are gonna be in so much trouble. Okay. Okay, I'm not sure about this. I'm gonna call my other pets. I'm gonna call Spike. Spike! Hello, little Spike. What are you doing? Nothing. Hey, Mom. Did you check our computer, Lucky's computer? Yeah, I did. You're not supposed to go on Lucky's computer. That's so weird. I have no internet. Oh, okay. Well, you do know that you're not supposed to go to Lucky's computer. Link. Well, you guys are just... I'm kind of suspicious about this. They see this, you know. Well, Spike and Ella, did you guys know about the missing cars? The what? Yeah, the what? My missing car. My car is literally missing. You know the pink car that I could drive. You guys are on it and you guys get off it for fun. And my white car. It's missing, literally. I didn't see it. Well, what car? Yeah, what car? I saw the, oh yeah, the toy car, the eyesight placement? No, you guys are not fooling around. You guys, if I don't get my cars back, you guys are gonna be in trouble. But you sing along and ride us there all along and get bored. Where are all the other pets though? I don't know, call them out. Excuse me? First of all, call them out. Okay. They're gonna go to gifts. And they're gonna go somewhere. Where do you guys put the cars? I have a car. Well, oh. Wait, was this car invisible? No. Yes, it is. It was invisible. Literally, I'm pretty sure this car was invisible because I was spawned right there. I wasn't able to spawn it at all, but now I'm able to spawn it. You guys hit it with unicorn magic. Oh, the nerve of you guys. And look, that's your banana car. This is my banana car. You guys are gonna be grounded for this. Okay. Okay, Rose. Okay. You guys, we are going in my banana car to the vehicle shop. And where did you guys hide the rest? We hid the legendary stuff. The legendary stuff. Okay. So, and the yellow card thing. Spike, stay here. Okay. I'm gonna call Lucky and Evie out to do their magic thing. Because they better do it. Because I'm not gonna let them get away with it. Is that it? Oh, it's not. Evie? Lucky? Where's Lucky? Where's your sister, Evie? I don't know. Evie, I know everything. I know every single thing. So show me where my car is or you guys are grounded. You guys are gonna get in so much trouble. Is this one? Wait. No. I think I found it. Richard, yeah. Let me find it now. There, I got the car. Okay, I think I know where the rest of them are because I'm pretty sure it's in that. You're a bad parker. I am, and I will. Wait, let's see. You guys gotta be kidding me. You guys put my carriage in a tree. How am I supposed to drive it? Oh my gosh. You guys are gonna be in big trouble. Okay. You guys are in big trouble. All of you. But I didn't do anything. I learned that it was bad. You're still in trouble, young miss. You are still in trouble. I don't care if you want them or not. You did it. I'm still unicorn. Though she's posted. Okay, 100. Okay. I think I'm a friend anyways, though. There. Okay, it's Ava's house. Well, guys, hope you guys did enjoy the video. And make sure to subscribe to the channel too. And tell me in the comments down below what I should do with my rascal pets and this little baby here who hit my car. And I found them, but they are still scratched. They're dirty, but I do not know. Bye, guys. Hope you guys, if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to like it and subscribe to it. Bye.